Good night. My name is Leonardo Barrera. My life technology to software development English. Guanji. My name is Leonardo Barrera Millán. Born in Bogota. I currently live in Bogota. I am 27 years old. I am logistics technician and work as a route assistant DHL. I have been studying software development at Sena site at Corbett, and last year my goal is to complete my playlist and be able to stand this professionally. What motivates me to study? Archie acquiring more knowledge and tools for daily life at personal level and manual to advance more towards blink a person and dwell like decent moose and her pass about. My goals is to able to complete my course of technology and able to practice it to improve my English advance professionality, continue studying, and be able to help my mom and much I can and my family. My human quality, my quality are respect, solidarity, and responsibility. Um, I finalize professional qualities. My professional qualities are being empathic, continuous learning, and punctuality. And video in very good for attention.